Hey everyone, welcome back to Ship It Slowly. Today I'm going to show you something that completely changed how I work and live. Daniel Miessler's personal AI infrastructure, or PAI for short. It's not another ChatGPT wrapper. It's a complete personal AI system that lives inside your own markdown files, knows you better every day, and actually ships real work for you. Stick around. I'll show you exactly why this is one of the most powerful things you can build in 2026. PAI is an open source framework created by Daniel Miessler. It turns a frontier model like Claude into your own lifelong cognitive operating system. Everything lives in simple markdown files inside an Obsidian vault. No messy apps, no black box cloud, just plain text files, persistent memory, and an AI that gets smarter the more you feed it. Because most AI today forgets you the second the chat ends. PAI remembers everything. It has a telos, your big life goals, long-term memory, skills, and the ability to act across your entire digital life. It turns AI from a toy into a real collaborator that helps you ship better habits, better projects, and a better life, slowly and deliberately. It's perfect for anyone who's tired of 15 different apps fighting each other, people who love plain text, Obsidian, or working in the terminal. Builders, creators, and knowledge workers who want one single source of truth. Anyone who wants an AI that actually knows them, not just answers questions. If you value simplicity, persistence, and building your own tools step by step, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. Right now, I'm calling the system Kai. It came as the default name when I set it up. I haven't officially named it myself yet, but who knows? Maybe one day it will evolve and choose its own name that suits it best. Here's what the system does for me every single week. Every Sunday, it automatically generates my full workout program for the week, completely dated with calculated progression weights. Every morning, my Garmin Connect weight flows straight into my daily note. I write my personal journal in the same vault. The system reads it every day, analyzes it, and upgrades its own memory about me. I just throw receipt photos or text at it, and it logs my entire economy. At the end of the month, it gives me a clean spending summary. The best part? I now spend most of my day in the terminal in Obsidian. I have almost zero desire to jump between apps anymore. It feels clean, calm, and completely mine. Honestly, the only limit now is imagination. Here's what you can actually build with your own personal AI smart weekly workout planner. It auto-generates your full weekly program with dates and perfectly calculated progression weights. Personal journal analyst. Every day it reads your entries, pulls out insights, and upgrades its long-term memory about you. Automatic finance tracker. Just drop a receipt or some text, and it sorts everything into clean monthly reports. Daily Life OS. It pulls your Garmin or Apple Health data straight into one simple morning briefing. Goal and Telos Guardian. It keeps an eye on your big life goals and suggests the exact micro-actions you need today. Reading and Learning Companion. Drop any book or PDF and it summarizes it while connecting it to everything else in your vault. Content Creation Engine. Give it a topic and it brainstorms full scripts or newsletters based on your own writing. Project Autopilot. Throw in a big project and it breaks it down into daily tasks that update automatically. Meal and Nutrition Coach. It builds your weekly meal plan based on your goals, budget, and what's actually in your fridge. Second Brain Upgrader. It scans your entire vault and suggests better links, folders, and connections you missed. And yes, the sky really is the limit. PAI isn't about replacing yourself. It's about magnifying who you already are. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to be willing to ship things slowly, one markdown file at a time. If you want to try it, the link to Daniel Miessler's PAI GitHub is in the description. Start small, build your own system, and give it a name when you're ready. Let me know in the comments, what would you build first with your own personal AI? If you found this useful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next slow ship. Take care.